Welcome back to the Healthy Eating channel. In this video we will talk about the tips for healthy eating during Ramadan. 1. Drink a lot of water and eat hydrating food varieties during Ramadan. Drink a lot of water between iftar and suhoor. Have a go at adding watermelon to your suhoor or eat it as a sweet treat after iftar. Try to eat a lot of salads, because salad contains a lot of hydrating cucumber and tomato. 2. Eat the correct food varieties at suhoor to last through the fasting hours. Pick the correct food sources to support you and give you a wellspring of energy during the days, such as beans, chickpeas and lentils, low-fat yogurt, unsaturated fats like avocado, unsalted nuts, salmon, olives and olive oil. 3. Recharge your energy levels by eating a solid, adjusted iftar. Start iftar by eating at least 3 dates. Dates are a great wellspring of fiber. Use a lot of vegetables to give essential nutrients and supplements. Pick entire grains, which give the body energy and fiber. Enjoy your Ramadan! Don't forget to subscribe.